In a bid to shield the grieving family from further pain and protect their privacy, legal representatives for the estate of legendary actor Gene Hackman have filed a motion with a Santa Fe court, seeking to seal all records pertaining to the tragic deaths of Hackman and his wife, Betsy Arakawa. The request, submitted on Tuesday, comes in the wake of the deeply unsettling discovery of their partially mummified remains at their New Mexico home this past February. The petition vehemently opposes the public release of any autopsy reports, investigative findings, photographs, or, most critically, police body camera footage documenting the scene. The sheer graphic nature of the discovered remains and the potential for the released material to cause widespread distress necessitates this decisive action. The legal team argues that the release of such sensitive and deeply disturbing visual and documentary evidence would inflict irreparable emotional harm upon the family, compounding an already devastating loss. They contend that the public's morbid curiosity should not outweigh the family's fundamental right to grieve privately and respectfully, free from the intrusion of gratuitous media exploitation. This is especially crucial given the couple's remarkably private lives. For over 3 decades, Gene Hackman and Betsy Arakawa cultivated a life of quiet dignity and seclusion in Santa Fe, a city celebrated for its ability to provide sanctuary to those seeking refuge from the relentless glare of public attention. They chose to live an unassuming existence, far removed from the glitz and glamour associated with Hollywood. This conscious choice to maintain a low profile, to value privacy and anonymity, underscores the family's deeply held belief in the sanctity of their personal lives. The petition paints a picture of a couple who dedicated themselves to a life beyond the limelight, embracing tranquility and discretion in their chosen haven. They carefully shielded their personal affairs from public scrutiny, maintaining a commendable level of privacy that should be honored, even in death. The petition meticulously details the couple's deliberate avoidance of public appearances and their unwavering commitment to preserving their private lives. Far from seeking publicity, they actively worked to maintain their anonymity within their community. This carefully constructed life, a testament to their values and preferences, should not be violated by the callous dissemination of intensely personal and potentially traumatizing materials. The request to seal the records isn't merely a legal maneuver. It is a plea to protect the legacy of a couple who prized their privacy above all else, a request to allow their family to mourn without the added burden of public spectacle and the potential for further suffering. The court's decision will not only affect the immediate family, but will also serve as a significant precedent in balancing the public's right to know with the critical need to protect the dignity and privacy of individuals, even in the face of tragedy. The sensitive nature of the case demands a cautious and compassionate approach, ensuring that the family's right to grieve privately is paramount.